Hello, good day. Welcome to Shotty video. Oh wait, where's Shotty? Sino magbubukas ng toy? Ay, hello, Shotty. So, saan tayo pumunta kanina?
Taking down there.
And then? Oh, what's that pink package over there?
Oink. Direct. Ano, tingin ko yung video.
Ba't kanya yung face mo? Ano yan? Dali na! Wow! Ano yan?
Diyan ba naman yan sa baba?
Ano yan?
What's that? FIXIT knife!
FIXIT? Sino FIXIT? Oh! Sa Transformers!
Pwede mo scan.
Oh!
Ito sa hand.
Open mo
Step
na.
1. Step 2. Step 3. Hey!
Oh, wait lang. Sandali. Pakita natin sa kanila kung ano yan. Okay, so saan natin binili ito? Sa
Taking
Toy Kingdom for $599.75 sa SM City, Manila. So, yan ang packaging niya. Siya si FIXIT. Okay, open mo na. Okay. So, nabuksan na namin si FIXIT. So, ito na siya in transformed mode. Oh, Shotty, yung car mode.
Car mode!
Oh, paano naging ganyan?
Nakapitid
So,
ko
you will
to.
just push the...
I'll show you, guys. I'll show you. Just a minute.
Wow. So, what did you do?
I press this in robot mode here.
Okay, and
Push
then...
here.
Okay, and then... So, that's the robot mode. And... Oh, what happened? How did it transform to car mode?
Push mo to.
Which one?
This!
Oh, let's see. Jota,
Pwede mo ito maskand. To, kids.
Wow. Oh, kids. Dito, kids, ah. Oh. Wow, ang cool naman. Transform to car mode. Wow. Okay, that's all for today. That's all that we have for today. Pwedeng ma-scan using the app sa App Store. Yung Transformers Robots in Disguise.
Hoy, tanong mo na ako.
Alin siya, Ti? This one.
Bakit? May emergency!
Scan mo na.
Hoy.
Oh, this is the app.
Robot in Disguise.
So, go here.
Dun. Okay na! Bakit?
Wow! Pwede na natin magamit yung FIXIT.
Hello, where's my name? Oh,
Sige.
robot in Disguise. Wow, ang ganda! Oh! It's a rolling bomb! Oh!
Please like our video. Don't forget to
Subscribe.
subscribe. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.